I was representing the complainant and the victim in this particular matter. People are saying it's a gang rivalry, but there is a very different aspect that is there to this particular case. Hence, there is an intervener in this matter to keep this particular case before the court. Some are trying to misguide even the public, and this is also being shown as a gang rivalry, but the picture behind it is very difficult to come out because there are many sources that are trying to hide the real picture.
What is the real picture?
The real picture is that one boy has stopped and brought narcotic substances that were being supplied in Margaon and the belt of Kolwa at a standstill. And the man behind the curtain is the main drug lord, should I say, or a drug dealer. He is the man who has tried to do this the full movie that has happened, or the full act that has happened. The man behind the curtain has the ropes in his hands. He has planned the whole conspiracy. The police are investigating. I cannot open all cards. Whatever is there, we shall keep it before the court. 5 days of remand have been granted, or and on Monday they will be produced again. So we shall be there. We shall also argue. There is a lawyer also representing them. He will also argue. The best decision that can be taken by the judge. It is only our part that we have to keep our case before the particular honorable court.
So
That's all I would say.
Just because there were drugs involved.
Drugs involved meaning drugs have come to a standstill today, at least in Margaon and the belt of Kolwa. And this is the belt for South Goa where most business जाला म्हणटा तो जो ड्रग्स विकता तो मनीस तो ड्रग्स कंज्यूम करिना म्हणून युथाक त्रास जाता म्हणून हे खंय तरी बंद केल्लें आशिल्लें आनी जे मनशाचो धंदो जायना म्हणून त्या मनशाक राग येता आपल्याक पयशे येना म्हणून बट वॉट एवर इट इज वी शॅल पोर्ट्रे आवर केस there is a lot of a full chain of events that has taken place, and as this chain of events the police are investigating. The police have done a wonderful job in this case. Whatever the general public feels, but I would say the police have done a wonderful job. And there are a lot of more arrests that are going to take place. In time to come, the whole picture will be out. Let's not call this a gang rivalry, but I think so all of us should also be together fighting a fight against drugs.
Doctor, your name?
Advocate Liel Montero.
Thank you.
Thank you.